Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on Baseus ELF Digital Display Fast Charge Power Bank 20000 mAh 65 watts. Product parameter. Packing list. Parts description. Charging. Instructions for the use of products. ELF Digital Display Fast Charging Power Bank charges laptops or other digital devices. Check whether the charging voltage of the digital product matches the output voltage of the ELF Digital Display Fast Charging Power Bank. Select the original charging cable of the digital product. One end is connected to the digital product, and the other end is connected to the output port of the ELF Digital Display Fast Charging Power Bank. The ELF Digital Display Fast Charging Power Bank will automatically turn on to charge the digital product, and the power indicator is always on. Charging the ELF Digital Display Fast Charging Power Bank with charger. Select the charging cable of the Type-C interface to connect with the input port of Type-C of ELF Digital Display Fast Charging Power Bank. Connect the charging line with the charger, and the LED power indicator starts to flash, indicating that the ELF Digital Display Fast Charging mobile power supply is charging, and the LED light is always on after it is fully charged. Safety warning instructions. Electronic information. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.